Contestant number 4, KVM Kishore. Speech title, My Masala Dream. My Masala Dream, KVM Kishore.
As I sit on my brand new Harley Davidson bike, a hot, tall girl in a short skirt, looking exactly like Deepika Padukone, climbs on my back seat, placing her hands on my six-pack my family pack abs, and whispers in my ears, "Darling, let's go." And then I suddenly bend down and start my bike like an auto. Trrr, trrr. Wake up! Yells my father, putting an end to my masala dream. Contest chair and my dear fellow Toastmasters, I have this dream every night. Sometimes 2-3 times in the same night. I always wanted to be a boy. I am a boy, but I wanted to be the dream boy, the playboy boy. I don't know why, but I desperately wanted to get married when I was in class 2. After considering all the options, I finalized on roll number 43, R. Swapna. 13, 17, 19. She could recite the most complicated mathematical multiplication tables of 13, 17, and 19 in the reverse order. What more do you need for a happy married life? I went ahead and proposed the idea of getting married. Any normal girl would have said, she will have to ask her mother. A modern girl would have said she will have to ask her boyfriend. But Swapna was so different. She said, we will ask the school Aya. Aya! Asking Aya changed my life forever. The Aya told Swapna's mother, my mother, her mother who was a maid in my grandfather's house, her husband who was our school auto driver. Probably because of this embarrassment, my parents threw me into a boys' school and then a boys' college. Forget about women. It was impossible to find the footprint of a female insect. Then, when I joined engineering and I got to know it was a co-education college, I was as happy as if I was appointed as the ladies' tailor for Kingfisher Airlines. But soon I realized my lecturers were like encounter specialists posted in a Maoist area. 4 years of engineering, nothing happened. Then when I started working, there were absolutely no restrictions. But there were too many reservations. It is easy to find a TV without a set-top box connection, but impossible to find a girl who is single and not in a relation. But let me tell you the truth. I never really had the confidence to walk up to a girl and talk to her or make a conversation. I really wanted to get rid of this fear. And the first thing I did was try each of those products that are supposed to boost your confidence. Believe me, I ate everything, starting from Dabur Chyawanprash to Sai Baba Temple Ash. My confidence never increased, my circumference did. Then I spoke to my best friend, Bulusu Chaitanya Kumar, in short, Buchku. about my problems. Butchku told me to immediately complete CCCL. CCCL stands for Crash Course from Crush to Love. He told me about something called pickup lines. It seems they are used as conversation starters with women. So, for example, you walk up to a girl and say, "Is your father a terrorist?" The girl shoots an angry look at you. Then you immediately say, "No, otherwise, I don't know how he could make a bomb like you." See? Right then, you have an opportunity to make a conversation. I wanted to try this. I immediately walked up to a girl and said, "Is your father a terrorist?" The girl gave such an angry look, I forgot the remaining part. Toastmasters, girls look very soft. But believe me, when they slap, they are not. Then Butchku told me, "Why don't you join Toastmasters?" Because one, your confidence definitely improves. And two, there are a lot of women in Toastmasters, so, you know. Believe me, it has been 2 years in Toastmasters. My confidence has definitely improved. But there are 3 kinds of women in Toastmasters. One, the motivational type. The moment you tell them, "I love you," they say, "Wow, Kishore, isn't love a beautiful thing?" But just don't stop with me. Love everybody around you. Two, the humorous type. No matter what you tell them, they have a single response. "Oh my God, Kishore, you're so funny." And finally, majority fall into this category called the evaluation type. Toastmasters, put on the best clothes, wear your best smile, pick up the best flowers in town, and write a poem with the greatest words of Shakespeare and pour your heart out before them and tell them, "Hey, I love you." And they would say, "Toastmaster Kishore in particular, I am very particular. Your opening was brilliant, but you didn't bend down." Toastmasters, I haven't found my dream yet. But still, I have my hope and my dream. What is life without hope and a dream? Contest chair.